Hi, welcome to the YouTube channel of the Career Center of the East Baton Rouge Parish Library. I'm Anne, and today I want to introduce you to the Work From Home job board, Hire My Mom. And as soon as I take myself out of the picture, we will get started. As you can see, we're already on the correct website, hiremymom.com. Hire My Mom specializes in freelance and very flexible work from home opportunities. And as you can probably take from the name, it was actually founded by moms for moms who often want part-time and flexible opportunities. Now, even though that is the name and that was the intended purpose, those jobs are available for anybody. So let's see how it works. They make it very easy. We can scroll down and see that the website has been around for 18 years. That is a good sign. If you Google them, you will find positive reviews. Here you find the information if you are a business that is actually looking for people to work for them. That's where you would look. But we want to look at it from the perspective of the job seeker. So that's where we go. And if you click on see how it works, you find a description of what Hire My Mom can do for you, right? We've already mentioned it's mostly flexible jobs, mostly freelance jobs. But here is the absolutely most important part: legitimate jobs. Jobs that are posted on this website are screened before posting. That's what we're looking for, right? We want those legitimate work from home opportunities. So, since they are screening these jobs, and since the jobs featured on this website are mostly from small companies, you will not find the Fortune 500 opportunities on here. This is small business looking for freelancers or part-time employees. The one drawback of this for you, the job seeker, is that this site charges you money to get to the job lead. They charge that money for going to the extent of vetting the jobs that are on there. But they're very transparent. So let's see how this works. If you go to find a job and you go to pricing, is right there in your face, and you can see what it costs. We're looking at right now. Here are the different tiers that they charge. As always, we recommend to not pay up first, but to first see if there are any opportunities on this website that are even of interest to you. And if you determined, yes, the opportunities I see are worth for the money to join it for me, that's when you sign up and actually pay. So let's see, we go back to find a job and look at the newest job postings. You can look at the job postings, ghostwriter, administrative assistant, and when you click on this, when you click on learn more, you get more information, the qualifications, and you get the pay. It's all very transparent. So here is an administrative assistant for part-time, client connections coordinator, business operations manager. So a wide variety of different kinds of opportunities. And if social media is your field, you click on learn more, you can read through it. And so you get a good idea of the jobs that are available. And now, if you say, oh, there's nothing for my field or for my qualifications, well, then you leave it be and you're not out a cent. But if you find opportunities on there that fit your qualifications and that you would be happy to apply for, then you actually sign up And that's how you can apply, because we can look at this. Let's go back to this administrative assistant and look at it. And now here you would apply for the job. But if we click on this, and if we click on submit resume and apply, you see that now you would have to create an account, and now you would have to pay up. But before you pay, you can first check if the opportunities that are listed on this website are of interest to you. So it is really in your discretion if it's worth paying, if it's not, and the decision is all yours. That is really the main thing that we wanted to show you this website for. There are other things on here like training courses, but you have to pay extra for all of that, for resume, career coaching, and so on. It's there. It's not what this website is useful for. In our opinion, it has a unique position in work from home job boards, in as much that there are vetted positions that are flexible, that are often freelance. So it's a special niche they have, and therefore it is worth including it on our work from home job board playlist. If you found this information valuable, and if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We wish you good luck in your job search.